Church. We're going to check this out. Get some pictures and video. Let's go over here and park under the shade and then get some pictures and video. This is really neat. Very interesting. Deaconess Anna E.B. Alexander, founder, Good Shepherd Episcopal Church, 1894, parochial school, 1902. First black deaconess, ordained, 1907. Birth date of 18, they don't know when, to 1947. Rest in peace. I find this quite interesting. Love this old wood and the tin roof. Wonder when that tin was put on, if that's original. Looks like it's been painted with that cool stuff at one time. Very nice setting. Magnolia trees, live oak. Really nice magnolias. Okay, let's head back to Brunswick and see if we can figure out where we're going to be tonight. If we're going to go further south again or